Hello, Fire Fact Channel viewers. Welcome to our vlog of Croatia trip. This is day 3, episode 8. I hope you enjoyed the previous episodes, getting to Skradin, taking a ferry, and then seeing Skradin Sea buck this majestic waterfall. And now we are still in the national park, and yeah, you can see there are a number of artwork photographs displayed within the national park. It's all about this national park and the species and different things that you see in here. I believe just the week before we landed in Croatia, there was a torrential downpour that caused the river to be like having this turbulent flow, and it was amazing to see that rapid flowing water throughout this park. I can imagine, the gushing water, just what a joy it's to see. It's definitely feast to the eyes and joy to the soul. Just can sit there watching this for hours. Yeah, an analogy I can think of on this is a toddler trying to break free and rapidly run away from everybody. That's how these gushing flow of water made us feel. There were many viewpoints and places where we could sit and watch these amazing national park and just take it all in. There were also a number of shops where you could buy food at the entrance and ice creams, and also the cafes in between with restrooms. We found the watermills and a souvenir shop nearby, so we decided to explore that. The souvenir shop had a number of fridge magnets, all linked to Croatia and Krka National Park. There were small handmade toys, bags, accessories, really cute little things in there. And also I talked about natural lavender being one of the floral things. So there was a number of hand gel, creams, lip balm with natural lavender scent, and many others as well. Strangely, there was a heater in there, and us coming in from UK, we were a bit surprised, as it wasn't that cold at all. But I believe for people in Croatia, where they're used to really hot summers, it could be slightly cold. Okay, so this is the watermill, and it was used many years ago. Now it's not operational, but they used to bring grains here from wheat and grind them using the power of the water and make it into bread flour, just like how we generate the hydroelectric power. So they use the power of the water to grind these water mills. I think they were used even probably 40-50 years ago. We could still see some of the husk left near those stones, and that's the oven, I think. Actually, following the water mill, there was this hidden cave. There was a fissure and flowing water from it, which you'll see. And yeah, this is a very, very special place. Not many people had noticed until then, and we went inside it and we were like, wow. Can imagine when you come in summer, it would feel like a hot spring in here, and you would definitely want to take a shower if that amount of water still comes in. But at the moment it was still cold, so we could only just probably just place our hands and feet slightly. So the walk around this national park probably is, as I mentioned before, it could be 1 kilometer, but obviously there are many views and spots where you can just sit there or take pictures and just inhale the beauty and everything that goes with it. Okay, our trip is actually coming to a close of, the footpath that we took. Probably we're going to finish it now, but we were just in awe of this beautiful location and really want to visit again. Definitely, this is one of the places where we'd want many people to visit as well, and it's a hidden gem, actually, I would say. So we will finish here with the Krka National Park, but there's so many other beautiful locations we can show coming up in our next video. So if you like this video, please spread the message, like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.